Okay, eventually we're going to need a new car. So in 2032, we're going to buy a BMW 330i. It costs $63,291 in 2024. So we're going to figure out what the 2032 price is. We're still going to get a 5-year loan, same as with the Toyota, but hopefully we'll have more than a 15% down payment. 15% is minimum, but we're going to see how much we have in savings. Talking about savings, let's go and see how much more we could put into the mortgage rather than 60,000, because we have 3,000 here, and it would be to our advantage to have as much as we can in there. And because if we put more in here, then the house payments will be less. So for instance, right now it looks like we can add almost $4,000. So if I go 60, but it would be in the negative. But if we put $4,000 more dollars, it will bring the housing price down enough that it actually isn't in the negative. So I think this is actually good. Down to $219 in the bank, but better mortgage rate. Okay, so in 2032, looks like we have about $58,000 that we can put in. So I'm just going to see if I bring it to $52,000 at first, brings me down to $600. Let's just see how much the car payments are with that, and I might adjust this. So control page down to the car, and I'm going to put in the BMW here. And the price of the BMW in 2024 is $63,291. And I'm going to have to add rows here. So I'm going to bring it down. I'm actually going to bring it down to line 27, because we'll eventually need that. Control D. So in 2032, that's this one, and I'm going to yellow that, Alt HH, make that yellow, and then, and I'm going to copy these names here, copy car price, down payment loan, copy that, and bring that over to paste it in the M column, and then I'm going to make this wide, Alt HOI, and then have the car price look for equal and down into the C10. And the down payment is not going to be like it was before with a house. It's just going to be equal. And I'm going to go control page up. I'm going to go control home, and then go up to parent, go across to large payments, and here it is. It's the $52,000. Enter. So that's 67%, way above 15. Much better price. Then I'm going to change the date to be when we're buying it, which is the 1st of January 2032. And I'm going to change the year. Actually, I'm just going to copy I'm going to copy all of them, starting from cell F7 down and all the way to interest rate. I'm going to copy those over to the date here. Control V. And now I can change the date in cell N7 to 1 January 2032. And I think they're all looking the right way. So I'm just going to go F2, that's referring to the correct cell. And the interest, F2 is correct cell, escape, and then the interest here is correct. Good. It's all referring to the correct cell. And it's 7 days. So now I'm going to copy the years, starting from year in M8, shift and across. And that's going to be the one I autofill. So I can go, while I'm still holding shift and down. And this went down quite a ways. So I'm going to go control D. just to copy it over there, and I'm going to get rid of a lot. So and down, and starting here, shift and across, and I'm just going to page up until I get to where it's no longer, page down. I'm just going to arrow up until it's paid off on the 266th row. Let go of shift and then delete, and then end up, and that looks about right. Control home. So now let's go to control page up to the budget sheet, and let's make the formula for the car payments in 2032. That's right here, this an AW12 equals sum if, open brackets, the range, control page down, and then the year is column M, M7, shift and down, F4 that, comma, and then back to the budget sheet, control page up, and it's, I'm going to go control home, go across, go down to 2032, comma, and then the sum range, control page down, control home, go across to the O column, down to 07, shift and down, F4 it, close the brackets, enter. Okay, so there it is for the first year. And the shift and bring it down a few years, control D, and there it is. I can see that it is paid off, and now I can see that that $52,000 is bang on the money. Along with the car payments, it brings me down to $278. So that is I've now adjusted my down payment for my house and my BMW, and paid for the BMW. Control S to save my work.